In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get invoice on Udemy. If you've purchased a course and need a proper invoice for your records, taxes, or reimbursement, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it and how to save it, quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're signed into your Udemy account where you made the purchase. On the Udemy homepage, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and hover over your profile icon. This icon is usually your photo or the first letter of your name in a small circle. Hovering opens a menu with several account options. If you're on a mobile browser, tap the profile icon to reveal the same menu. The key here is simply to hover or tap so that the account menu appears. From that menu, click Purchase History. This takes you to a page listing all the transactions associated with your account. You'll see each course you've bought, along with the purchase date and amount. If you've made many purchases, take a moment to scroll, or use any available filters or search to locate the specific order you're after. This page is your hub for everything related to your payments, so it's the right place to check amounts, dates, and the status of your orders. If you have purchased a course, you can get an invoice from here. Find the course entry for the transaction you need, then look for an option labeled Invoice, Receipt, or View Details. Click it to open the official invoice for that purchase. The invoice typically includes the course title, order number, purchase date, price, taxes if applicable, and your billing country. Once it opens, you can use your browser's print or save function to download it as a PDF. If it appears in a new tab or window, make sure your browser allows pop-ups from Udemy so the invoice can display properly. Keep in mind that invoices are generated per transaction, so if multiple courses were bought in a single order, you'll see them reflected together on the same document. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you can't find a purchase, double-check that you're logged into the same account you used at checkout. If you want specific business details to appear on future invoices, add them to your billing profile before buying your next course. And if you bought through a mobile app store, the invoice may be available through that store's receipt system rather than Udemy's website. That's it. Hover over your profile icon, click Purchase History, and open the invoice from the transaction list. Save it, print it, and you're done.